Last round, last round, last round.
Ready? Go!
Alright.
We have Tayaja here getting ready to do her weigh-in for the 6-week 20-pound challenge. Tayaja, what's today's date? You ready to get started on this challenge? All the instructions? Lose at least 20 pounds? You excited? All right, come on over. Let's get your starting weight. All right, 278.4. Hop off. Wave goodbye to that number from me.
Bye.
We'll see you in 6 weeks.
Yes.
Please state your name. Tayaja, please state today's date.
April 8, 2016.
Alright, so we have Tayaja here ready to do her final weigh-in for a 6-week, 20-pound challenge. Tayaja, how you feeling?
Great.
Alright, 6 weeks ago you weighed in with us at what starting weight?
278.4.
Meaning you need what weight today to make your goal? 258.4, right?
Yes.
Alright, let's come over and see where we are. 22-pound weight loss. Awesome, Tayaja, let me get some. Great job. Last round, last round, last round.